not working. What the hell? Okay, well, it's good. Oh, here's a review on my most recent paper gun. I deleted all my other paper gun videos because I'm not that big of a fan, but this I got really bored and decided to put together. I decided to type in XX UNCEXX. He's got really good paper guns. I advise you, if you like paper guns, go see him. He's got really good quality weapons. But this, I don't think this is a good quality weapon. This was his idea of a simple shotgun. What I hated was getting this to work out. See the chamber slide? I hated trying to get that to work out the way I wanted it. But it works out now. You got the shell that it pops in with. Oversized dart that'll shoot, which I hate, but still shoots, so who cares? Insert that with that. Pump this back like this. Get the chamber slot open. Pump it back in. Wait, hold on. It's too far in there. Pump it. And then I got, this was one of my good ideas from him.
Go on.
Oh shit. See, that's what I hate about this. I made a little thing that just unjams the shell whenever it gets jammed. It works. Which else? I'll show you what the shell was supposed to do. The shell was supposed to go like, see it flew out, yeah. Okay, well, let's try the shooting once more. Just get that side. Got the chamber open. More out. Cock it back. Pull out the blow tube. Shoot it. That time it worked.
Man, I can't shoot this.
Actually, it's a pretty good gun. I like it. Handle qualities, it's squared like that, 3 tubes in there. I don't think I will be making a tutorial, but depending on how much comments I get on if there's going to be a tutorial, I'd probably have to say this would be a long tutorial to make, but it will happen. Right now I'm facing it to my left, like the barrel right here is going to my left, but my webcam flips it around. Like, it looks like it's going to my right, but really it's not. It's going. This is my right side, going to the left, and right there. See, that confuses me. Chamber.
Well, now it's
Get this. Stick the shell in there. Cock it back. Pull out the blow tape. Cock it again. Oh, see, shot up again. But it's a very, very good gun. I have no clue on the range on it, but it seemed like to get very good range. I'm gonna try this reverted. Okay, so this is gonna be a range shot, not gonna be no cheese-o-less, just close-ups. So I'm gonna be facing it towards my Brodeur jersey. And we're gonna see the range on this sucker. Not that bad of a range thing. But yeah, that is my paper shotgun. Very good. In a shadow, this would look like realistic shotgun.
Then you show
Sizing, I
me.
think that an actual shotgun would be like yay big. It's pretty good. And I tried a review on this, kept canceling it out, but here's my goalie mask. Pretty good. Internals, side view, little collarbone thingy. But yeah, pretty good, pretty good.